Hey, I'm Kendra.
I'm Krista.
We're from Toysmith.
This year we have over 165 new items in our booth.
Come on in, check it out.
Hi everybody, I'm Laura and welcome to Toysmith, booth 2251 here at New York Toy Fair. This year, we're all about new solutions and experiences at Toysmith. We're proud to debut over 165 new products and programs here in our booth. We've also got some wonderful merchandising solutions that'll work in any retail environment. And of course, unforgettable experiences that we look forward to sharing with you here at the show. Please come by booth 2251. We look forward to seeing you.